Today we have to discuss about the topic is lymphatic malformation in connective tissue tumor. Before going to the topic, we need some more basics. What is lymphatic system? The lymphatic system is nothing but it is like a blood circulatory system. Wherever the blood circulate inside the blood circulatory system, the pressure happens. As a result, there is a accumulation of fluid in the interstitial space. What is interstitial space? The interstitial space is nothing but there is a gap between the two cells. In between the two cells, there is an accumulation of fluid. That fluid get drained by the lymphatic system, and also inflammatory cells and like macrophages, monocytes are supplied by the lymphatic system. If the lymphatic system is absent in our body gets swelling up. As a result, enlargement of our body get filled with fluid accumulation in our body. How the lymphatic systems are developed? The lymphatic systems are developed in embryology. The lymphatic system is developed from the vein, like jugular vein. In the jugular vein, there is a lymphatic endothelial progenitor cells get a sprouting and migration. Later, the formation of primary lymph sacs. As a result, separation of the lymphatic tissue. The separated lymphatic tissue get remodeling and differentiation occurs, and migration and maturation happens and communicate with another lymphatic vessels and complete the lymphatic circulation. The lymphatic malformation is happening in variety of cases like trauma or infection or obstruction of the lymphatic vessels or development of abnormalities, etc. The lymphatic malformation is we have to deeply discuss about the lymphatic malformation in head and neck region. In head and neck region, the most common lymphatic malformation is cystic hygroma. The lymphatic malformation is happened due to it is a benign hematomatous tumor-like growth by lymphatic vessels, which means there is a developmental abnormalities, there is a sequestration of the lymphatic vessels, do not communicate with another type of lymphatic system. As a result, there is a enlarged lymphatic vessels. So the lymphatic vessels not communicated with another type of lymphatic vessels. As a result, there is a accumulation of fluid in this area, leads to the formation of cystic appearance, macrocystic appearance. This lymphatic vessels not communicate, development, remodeling, maturation, and communicate with another type of vessels doesn't happen in this lymphatic tissue. As a result, there is a accumulation of fluid. This is called as cystic hygroma. The lymphatic malformations are classified into lymphangioma, cavernous lymphangioma, cystic hygroma. Watson and McCarthy classify simple lymphangioma, cavernous lymphangioma, cellular hypertrophic lymphangioma, diffuse systemic lymphangioma, cystic hygroma. Based on size, it is classified into macrocystic, microcystic, mixed type. It is sufficient. The based on size is sufficient to describe the lymphatic malformation in head and neck region. In macrocystic, it is composed of cyst-like space. It is 2 cm or greater in diameter. It is called as cystic hygroma. In microcystic, it is occur in the small blood vessels. The connective tissue and skeletal muscles limit the expansion. It is mostly in the mouth and consisting of smaller vascular channels. In mixed type, there is a combination of macrocystic and microcystic. In clinical features, it is mostly in head and neck region. Half of the regions are noted at birth. The cervical lymphatic malformation. The cervical lymphatic malformation is nothing but the lymphatic malformation in the head and neck region, so called cervical lymphatic malformation. It is occur in the mostly in posterior triangle and least common in anterior triangle. If the anterior triangle is affected by the lymphatic malformation, As a result, there is a respiratory difficulty happened. At the same time, if trauma or infected the anterior triangle of the lymphatic malformation, result respiratory tract infection happen. This cervical lesion, that is the lymphatic malformation in anterior triangle, may extend up to the mediasternum or oral cavity. The oral lymphatic malformation, that is microcystic, it is mostly an anterior two-third of the tongue, look like frog egg-like appearance. If the lesions get infected or trauma or injury happen in this area, there is a purplish appearance in the anterior to the two-third of the tongue. The small lymphatic vessels also seen in the alveolar ridge. In histology, the microcystic shows mild dilation, but macrocystic look like the large cyst-like structure. It get diffused and infiltrate to the adjacent soft tissues, and there is a presence of thin lining cells will be seen. That which means lining epithelium is very thin, and aggregation of lymphocytes like macrophages and inflammatory cells get aggregated in their walls, and there is a presence of proteinous fluid materials, which means the blood system contain fluid. That fluid is present in this cystic area. As a result, there is a proteinous material will be seen. There is a mixed vascular malformation contain presence of RBC, which means it is nothing but the mixed malformation is due to the lymphatic is arised from the venous area. So there is a mixed vascular malformation will be seen. In histology, it is look like there is a lymphatic vessels and lymphs, RBC will be present, and fibroblast and blood vessels also seen in this area. In oral lesion, the lymphatic vessels just beneath the epithelial surface area. If the lymphatic malformation in the oral area, that is microcystic happen in the oral area, there is a translucent membrane. As a result, it look like vesicle like appearance in clinically. There is a treatment depend on size, location and subtype. In smaller lesion, there is no significant problem. Non-enlarging lesion of the tongue, which means that is a microcyst in the tongue, it is difficulty in removal and having high recurrence rate. The regression is rare. The regression is nothing but the resolving of the cyst is rare. In macrocyst of cervical region, the cervical region is nothing but the macrocyst happen in the head and neck region. They are having low recurrence after the surgery. The sclerotherapy is also suggested by using ethanol doxycycline to reduce the dilated vascularity, that is dilated lymphatic vessels, to reduce by using ethanol doxycycline drugs. Thank you.